Oh, look at this. Look at this. Isn't this what we pay our money for? Not just the tricks. Look at this stuff that Lamine Yamal's doing. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah. Koundé. Lamine Yamal beats Carreras this time.
Bit of a waste.
Has support. He's also got the ability to go solo here. Past one. He wants to score himself, doesn't he? Oh, he passes on to Rafinha. Rule that one out. Davies on the touchline. More trickery from Lamine Yamal. Lamine Yamal.
Oh, skips away from his man. Still going here.
Vamos para Koundé, Koundé por abajo la da. Descarga. Es rápida por parte de Lamine Yamal. Aparece
Lamine Yamal.
He's got clear of one, he's got clear of two, takes a tumble. Skips clear of Wendell's challenge.
This was in the right place there. Lamine Yamal.
Yamal. Yeah, I don't think it's...
About the opposition having to exploit that. It's not happened yet, but the gaps are certainly there.
Oh, that was silky, wasn't it, from Lamine Yamal?
Remarkable goal scoring season for Barcelona.
Se le pone las piernas. Balón arriba, la sacó Cazador.
Bueno, lo que acaba de hacer la piña.
Here's Yamal. Little flick.
Into Yamal. Away from Di Marco. It's brilliant play from Lamine Yamal. And now it's with Morata. And the angle was going to...
Important touch to that.
Spins, dummies.
Ahora Fermín ha jugado con Lamine, una jugada que arrancó en balde. Uy, Lamine en la jugada.
Goal in that first leg, here's Di Marco, but Lamine Yamal defends him.